Welcome to this video. Today we're gonna make an easy textured wall art painting. So we are starting with the two Masonite boards that are glued together. When the glue has dried, we put down a base coat of black acrylic paint. And now I'm using this ruler to find the center of the painting, so we know where to put this circle. And I'll make a circle. And here I'm using a screw on the ruler so I can get a bigger circle done. So we know where to put the plaster. And here we start to mix the plaster with the water, and I have about 2 deciliters of water with about 6 tablespoons of plaster, and I will add the wood glue to make it more rigid and don't crack on me when it dries. And I'm mixing smaller batches for the plaster because it dries really quick, so it's easier to work with smaller batches and you don't need to stress so much. And here I'm working out the plaster to the edges of the circle we made, so we kinda get a circle. And here I'm adding the second batch of plaster to the painting. It is exactly the same mixture as the first batch. This is the second time I'm making this plaster circle, because the first time the camera didn't record it, so I had to make a new one. So this one will differ a little bit from the one in the video later. And now I'm sanding and scraping down the imperfections to get a smoother surface. And here's the result after I have sanded down and painted it one more time. If we would do anything different, I would coat the whole painting, even the plaster, so it doesn't absorb all the color that we will paint on it. And here I'm just adding a couple of lines with masking tape and covering it up with texture paste to make it a little more interesting. And when it's dried, I cover it up with gold chrome paint. And here I am spraying on some gold chrome and brushing it out to give it some more interesting parts. And I'm dry brushing out some black lines too. And here I'm adding some drips effect with a brush and spray paint. And I will dip the brush into the color and start splashing it on the painting a little bit everywhere. And I do it with the black color and the gold color. And this is the end result. I'm really happy with it, so now it's your turn to try it. Thank you and goodbye.